Coming to you live from the Dr. Don't Dungeon of Doom. We've got a lot of great things to show you, including the inevitable end of my possibilities in North Texas Giving Day. Time to introduce our special guest. Give a warm welcome to the Bizzy Bee.
You're pretty fast.
You're no match for a ladybird, especially on Giving Day.
Haven't you realized that we just don't have time? It's not that nobody cares, it's just that they're too busy.
You are wrong. People will make time because deep down, everyone is a hero, so buzz off.
Looks like I got a lot of work to do before September 17th.
Everyone is a hipster hero at My Possibilities. Our success continues with the support of our community, partners, families, and individuals like you. Visit www.mypossibilities.org for more information. Power the possibilities.